Welcome back. This is Rachel Banks. Please subscribe and enjoy the video. Okay, so I got 3 boxes in the mail today from Amazon. Okay, and I am so excited to see what actually shipped. Okay, you all are gonna laugh at me, but I have this cat harness from Pup Tech. And we got this harness so that we can take our cat Pearl outside with us when we go out in the yard, so she can enjoy some fresh air, but to keep her protected and on a leash. We got this cat harness, and it's a pretty color. It's a purple color, and I'll show you guys a picture of her with the harness on once we use it. How cute. Let's see what else came in this box. Okay, so this is my tripod. So I ordered a tripod so that I can mount my iPhone, because I'm using my iPhone as a camera. So I got this tripod and I can't wait to use it. Okay, in this next box, a big box, one little item. So let's see. So this is my Burt's Bees Rose Water Toner. So this is my second time buying this product, and I am so in love with it. My sister actually put me on to this product, and I'll share some before and after pictures, but this stuff is so good. I use it in the morning after I wash my face. I use this toner, and then I also use it at night. I love this stuff. It is so good. I highly recommend it. Like I said, this is my second time buying it, and I know it won't be my last time. And this is just after 1 month of using the Rose Water Toner and then the Hydrating Refreshener that you will see later on in the video. Okay, so in this last box, I got my Vita Mineral Green. This stuff is so good. Vegan friendly, so you guys should check this out. This stuff is really good. I take it every day. I mix it in a little bit of water, and I also add some black seed oil. And I fix this not only for myself, but also for my husband. This stuff is really good. This is the Vita Mineral Green. Highly recommend this. Again, it is vegan friendly. So you all should check this out. And I also got this B Naturals Queen Bee alcohol-free hydrating facial freshener, and I use this every morning. So what I do is I wash my face in the morning with whatever cleanser I'm using at the time, and then I follow it with the Burt's Bees Rose Water Toner, and then I apply whatever makeup I want to wear. So typically Monday through Friday, because I'm always limited on time, I use a brow pencil to fill in my brows, and I also put on some mascara. And then I top it off with this hydrating facial freshener. Yeah, this stuff is so good. And I always get compliments on my skin. People always say that I have a glow, and I attribute it to the Burt's Bees Rose Water Toner and this hydrating facial freshener. And the last item in the box is this Liver Rescue. Now, this is my first time actually purchasing this particular vitamin, and I'm going to incorporate this in my husband and myself, our daily vitamin routine. So we do enjoy a nice cocktail on the weekends. So I figured this Liver Rescue will help balance out the cocktails that we enjoy on the weekend. And that is it for this Amazon haul. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my next upload. Talk to you later.